How's it going, guys? Angus here from Muse. Now, I do apologize for the mess and my look. I literally just got through the front door. I've been at a robot combat event in Brisbane all weekend, which was Robo Wars Rebellion. Very last minute, and it was sold out when I decided to go, so that's why I didn't mention it on the channel. But I just got back and found some interesting and frustrating news regarding YouTube and uploading robot combat fights. So let me just take you straight over to the issue and why I'm making this video. So here, Sarah's posted on the Robot Combat group on Facebook that YouTube has decided that her video, Mass Destruction, So Ratchet vs. Kickstart vs. Deadite, which is like 3 combat robots, that fight was flagged for review, and they've determined upon review that it violates their guidelines and they've removed it from YouTube. Now, this is a big deal because it's not just happened to Sarah, but happened to many creators who have uploaded videos and taken down hundreds, potentially thousands of combat robot videos for no good reason. And I say no good reason because they say what it's violating is animal fighting. So as you can see here, it says content that displays the deliberate infliction of animal suffering or the forcing of animals to fight is not allowed on YouTube. Examples include, but are not limited to, dog fighting, cockfighting, etc. Now, that's fair enough. I do not support animal cruelty in the slightest, but what's happened here is clearly it's false flagged combat robots smashing each other as animals smashing each other. And I'm not sure how it's happened, but clearly there's been no manual review because no person would see like bits of metal and be like, that's an animal. So it could be some sort of algorithm thing going on, something's gone haywire, some image recognition thing. And it's not just small creators either. This is Jameson Go, he's on BattleBots, builds heavyweight combat robots, and he's saying on his public page here on Facebook, today is a sad day. Robot builders across the world cried out in agony as YouTube's algorithm falsely identified personal videos of robot sport as animal cruelty and cockfighting. Today I lost 9 videos, but others lost hundreds or more. So this is a widespread issue affecting a lot of creators uploading combat robot fights. And basically, I'm doing this video to let YouTube know that this is not okay. It's a big stuff up. I need to fix it because it's the same rubbish message saying that upon review, we've determined that it violates our guidelines and we've removed it from YouTube. Now, this is not resulting in a community strike, which is good because it's not okay, it's not right, but it's still taking down hundreds of thousands of hours of work from people all around the world. And combat robotics, you know, look, they're not actually autonomous robots or anything. They're remote controlled cars at the end of the day with armor and weapons, but they are a fantastic tool for education in engineering and product design, electronics. I learned everything I know based on my combat robot experience when I was in high school. So this is a public video to let YouTube know that you've stuffed up, mate, and you need to fix this. And I'm going to be hounding you until you do, and you restore all of these videos back onto YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.